Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Mensuration. So, in this chapter, the first topic is perimeter. The perimeter of a simple closed figure is the length of its boundary. Means the perimeter is the length of the boundary of any closed figure. Likewise, the perimeter of some geometrical shapes like triangle. What is the perimeter of the triangle? The perimeter of the triangle is the sum of the sides, like A plus B plus C is equals to perimeter. Now, rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? The perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, means the sum of the boundaries. Like if this is A, this is B, and this is A, and this is also B, because the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So A plus B plus A plus B, like A plus B plus A plus B. If we add these four sides, we will get the perimeter of a rectangle. Now, square. What is the perimeter of a square? The perimeter of a square is 4 into A units. That means the sum of the four sides of a square will make perimeter. And what is the diagonal of the square? The diagonal of the square is root under A square plus A square. You will get A root 2 units. Now, rhombus. What is the perimeter of the rhombus? The perimeter of rhombus is the sum of the sides. The sum of the sides is the perimeter of the rhombus. That means prime perimeter will be equal to 4 into A units. Now, circumference of a circle. What is the circumference of a circle? The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, or we can say that pi d, because 2r is equals to d. Therefore, pi d, and the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Then I am going to discuss the questions of the exercise questions. So find the perimeter of a triangle. So we all know the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of its sides. So 7 plus 5 plus 8.5 is equals to 20.5 centimeter. This is the perimeter of a triangle. Then the perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus B, or alternatively you can do the sum of the sides. That means 12 plus 7.5 plus 12 plus 7.5. That means if this is 12, so this is also 12. And if, this is 7.5. If this is 12, this will also 12, because the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Therefore, perimeter will also be equal to 12 plus 12 plus 7.5 plus 7.5. That means it is equals to 39 centimeter. Then question number 3. Question number 3. What is the perimeter of a square? Square. The perimeter of a square is 4 into A. What is the value of A? The value of A is 4.5. Then the perimeter of a square is 4.5 plus 4.5 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. You will get 18 centimeter. Then the perimeter of rhombus. What is the perimeter of rhombus? The perimeter of rhombus is 4 into A. That means 4 into the side. The perimeter of rhombus is equals to the perimeter of square. The formula of square and rhombus are equal. Then question number 2. In question number 2, the perimeter is given to you, breadth is given to you, length is not given to you. You have to find out the length of a rectangular field whose perimeter is given, breadth is given. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus B. So just put the values. 186 perimeter, 2 L. L you have to find out L. Then B 35, 186 2L plus 70. Then 186, 2 into L 12 and 2 into 35 70. So length is equals to 58 meter. Then question number 3. This is square plot. That means perimeter of a square plot is 172 meter, which is given to you in the question. And what is the formula of perimeter? 4 into A. That means 4 into A is equals to 172 meter. You have to find out the length of the side of a square plot. So A is equals to 172. Here it is multiplied. If it is come to the right side, it will get divided. So A is equals to 43 meter. So the side of a square plot is 43 meters. Clear? Then question number 4. This is a rectangular plot whose length is given and breadth is given. You have to find out the perimeter first. So 2L plus B, you'll get 394 meter. Then cost of fencing. Here it is given. The cost of fencing is rupees 27 per meter. Per meter means 1 meter fencing, rupees 27. So if 394 meter is given to you, then rupees 27 into 394, you'll get the price of the cost of fencing. Cost of fencing means this one. Okay. Fencing means this one. That means the boundary. You have to fence the boundary. That means you have to multiply by the perimeter. Okay. Then question number 5. The radius is given. The circumference, you have to find the circumference. Okay. So 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. 2 22 by 7 into r. 22 into 5 is equals to 110 centimeter. This will be your radius. So students, question number 6 to question number 11 will be your homework. If there is any doubt from 6 to 11, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you, students.